Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Reddit. Now, if you've never heard of Reddit, it's a social media platform with over 300 million users, and its nickname is the front page of the internet. And in this video, I want to show you the Reddit mobile app for iOS and Android phones, and I have a different video I'm just finishing up on how to use reddit.com, which is the website for Reddit. But the content is the same, the way you get around is a little bit different. So let me make this as quick and as easy to understand as possible. Let's jump in here to the App Store and look for Reddit, download and open it. And you do have to sign into Reddit because just like every social media platform, you have to create an account. So you could use email or Google and Apple to sign in. You can skip the sign-in page, but then you won't be able to create anything. So go ahead and sign in here. And the big part of Reddit is that you could actually sign in anonymously, meaning you could just pick a username. You don't have to actually put your real information there. You could browse anonymously and post anonymously to Reddit. And on this page is the different interests to personalize your feed. Now, Reddit is made out of different subcategories known as subreddits. So it's recommended that you actually pick some of these interests so the app is a little bit more customized to your liking. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose a couple of things here and press find communities here. And these are the different subreddits. So subreddits are laid out this way with r/whatever the subreddit is. r/podcast for podcast. And you can see how many members each has. And it's recommending that I follow some of these different ones. I'll just agree so I have some things to show you inside of a brand new app here. And here we're inside of the app, and the front page of the internet is a lot more prominent on the website because you have more real estate here. But right now I'm on the Reddit icon, and these are the Reddits that are on top of the front page right now. The way the Reddit platform works is it's based on upvotes and downvotes. So on every post, you could give it an arrow up or arrow down, and typically the ones with most arrows show up to the top of the home page of Reddit, which where I'm at right now. Now this feed is a little bit more customized to what I picked in the beginning, so yours may look different and some other things may show up on top here. Now, next to that, let's go to the bottom here. You could go to the search icon, you could search for different topics or browse different communities. Now those are again the subreddits, and you can see the ones I followed show up over here, and again they have r/whatever the subreddit is. So for example, if I wanted to find a subreddit on people that like iPhones, I could go ahead and search for that. And you can see there it is. There are thousands, hundreds of thousands of subreddits and communities on different topics. So just about anything you could imagine, you could probably find a subreddit for. Select it here and then go ahead and join it. So that's really the first step. Find all the different subreddits that you're interested in. Go ahead and join them so you could contribute to the conversation, upvote and downvote different posts. Next to that, you could actually post your own. So if I press the pencil icon, I could post a link, so I could post a link to a different website. I could upload an image or a video, and I could upload text and polls, all from the mobile app to a specific subreddit. I'm gonna press text here, and I could give it a title. Now, that's almost always mandatory to give it a title of whatever you wanna post about, but you have to choose a community here based on all the communities that are already available on subreddits. So you could see the ones I've joined here. If I want to post to them, I have to select them over here. You could also search on top here if you have a lot of them here. I'll choose the iPhone one, and you could see now I'm posting something to the subreddit. Now, posting to Reddit could be a little bit complicated because each subreddit is like its own community with its own rules. So some allow you to have videos, some allow you to only have images, some allow you to only post text, and some are gonna require you some time on the app before you could post at all. So under each set of subreddits, there's this section called rules. You have to select it and you have to read what the rules are. Now, this is not the same for every subreddit. Literally every single subreddit has a different set of rules. So for example, if you try to promote your own content or your own videos, it's going to be very, very hard. Reddit does not like you to promote your own content. It really wants you to promote other people and other people promote you. So that's something to know because this is an easy way to get banned on Reddit. And I've personally experienced this myself 4 or 5 years ago when I was trying to just promote my own videos. I did get kicked out of one of the Reddit accounts I had because of that. So be careful of that. Next to that, you have direct chats. You could actually send direct chats with different people on Reddit. You could also use Reddit rooms. I'll make different videos about the chat platform inside of Reddit. And finally, you have this message icon, and all your activities will show up over here. And also your messages will show up here. Right now it says, welcome to Reddit. That's my first message. But this is a good place to check, especially when you post and you're waiting for approval process of a post. They will appear over here under messages. And when it comes to upvoting and downvoting and having a conversation and contributing to a Reddit, a subreddit, let me show you how you do that. Let's go to the iPhone one here, and I could see all the posts here, and I could see the hot posts, the ones that are moving up. I could go ahead and sort it by new, top, controversial, or rising. Let me go ahead and choose rising here. And when you see a post here, you could, again, give it an upvote. You see, I just gave this one an upvote. You could click the comment section and leave a comment. The comments also have an upvote and downvote system too. So that's how the best comments will rise up to the top. The ones with the most upvotes, they will rise up to the top. You could also go ahead and press share and send it as a text message, for example. And those are available in just about every single post you see under different subreddits. So just to review, Reddit is made out of a bunch of communities called subreddits. You could contribute to each subreddit after you join them, and you could post text, images, videos, and a number of other things as long as that subreddit allows you to do that and you follow that subreddit's rule. You could also jump inside of any subreddit, and inside of that you could see all the posts, and you could give it an upvote, downvote, leave a comment, or share. And that's a quick overview of using the Reddit platform on the mobile device. Again, watch the video on how to use Reddit on the computer. It's actually been completely revamped just a few months ago. It's very, very easy to use. It was the same for over 10 years before that. So I'm really excited about reddit.com on the computer. I recommend you check that out. On top of using the mobile app, they all sync because you're gonna use the same login information to log into your mobile device and a computer. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I post easy to follow app videos every single week on this channel, and I hope to see you next time.